Hello, and welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to be beating up our face. Woohoo! All right, so let's go ahead and get started. I have already applied my facial moisturizer, and also I've went ahead to apply my primer. So now I'm going to go ahead to set my face. Have my face. Learned this technique from one of the YouTubers. I'm going ahead. This is my Ruby Kiss Glow in the color Browns Glow, and I'm going ahead. I'm placing it my highlighters and also on top of my forehead. Now I'm going ahead to use my black opal in carbon. Put some on my face. I always like to spray my brush before I go ahead and my foundation, and this is how it looks. So now I have my MAC concealer in the color NW45, and I'm going ahead to put some on my brush. Alright, so I've went ahead to apply my concealer, and I usually use my foundation brush to rub it in. So I'm gonna go ahead and get my foundation brush. So this is how it looks. So I have my foundation brush, and I'm using my I'm going ahead to use my benign topaz. To contour my face. So I've went ahead to apply some of my black eyeshadow, and also I'm using my LA Girl in the color Cocoa to contour my face. And I'm gonna look away from the camera. So now I'm contouring my nose. I went ahead to apply some of my black eyeshadow on the side of my nose, and as you can see on okay, so let's go ahead and prime my eye with my eyeshadow, and we're gonna go ahead and get started with the eyeshadow. Again, today I'm using my Wet and Wild eye shadow primer. Okay, I'm gonna get my brush. This is my BH Cosmetics palette. So today I'm going ahead to use some of this brown color, and I'm going ahead to place it to apply some of my LA Girl concealer. Now I have my palette. I'm using these three colors today. So I'm going ahead and I'm placing this. I'm taking it up. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and do the same thing for this eye. I'm still applying my orange eyeshadow because since I'm dark, I need to pack more of the eyeshadow there so that the color can pop. Now I have my eyeliner pencil, um, I eyeliner marker, and I'm using it for my waterline. So this is how it looks. I'm gonna go ahead and come in close to the camera. I'm applying my mascara. I'm going ahead to do my eyebrows. With the eyebrows, you need an angle brush, and you just have to take your time and use some of your concealer to clean it up or to shape it how you want it. I'm going ahead to put in my eyelashes and we will be done soon. And I'm using my powder, the medium deep, on top of my makeup to make sure that everything is well blended in. Now I'm applying my falsy lashes. I'm using my loose setting powder from Black Opal, and it is in the color Deep 05. I'm using it to blend everything all in because we don't want no lines showing, so that's what I'm doing. I'm now applying my blush, and it is in the color pink. Look at how it is popping. I'm using that as a highlighter to highlight my face. I'm using some on the bridge of my nose, and also I'm going to be putting some on my forehead, on my chin. Yes. Now our face has been completely beat. Check it out. Yes, beautiful you family. So this is our final look. You should go ahead and try it out. We are all set. Now we are moving on to the lips. Yes, yes, beautiful you. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Come back very soon. If you're going to be wearing the makeup for a long time, it is good to set up your face so that it will last longer. Yes. I'm now going to put on my wig cap and complete the look. Now look. Now this is going on a date look. What do y'all think? Let me know. Is this a good outfit to go on a date? Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.